In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to install Tenable Nessus on Windows, giving you a clear and fast guide to get started with vulnerability scanning. Stick around until the end, because I've got some exclusive bonus offers for you that you won't want to miss, including a way to use this software for free. First, let's talk about Tenable Nessus. It's a powerful tool used by security professionals to scan and identify vulnerabilities across your network, making it essential for maintaining security. Whether you're running a home lab or working in a larger organization, Nessus is a go-to for discovering weak spots in your system. So, let's jump into the installation process on Windows. The first thing you need to do is head over to the official Tenable website. Search for Tenable Nessus and go to the download page. You'll see options for different operating systems. Select the Windows version. The download is a fairly lightweight file, and you can expect it to be completed in just a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Next, once the installer is downloaded, open the file to begin the setup. If prompted by Windows, make sure to allow it to make changes to your system. Follow the on-screen instructions, click Next to accept the license agreement, choose the destination folder for the installation, or just use the default, and then click Install. It's a simple process, and it'll only take a few minutes to complete. Now that it's installed, you'll need to launch the program. Go ahead and open the Nessus application from the Start menu, and you'll be greeted with a setup page in your browser. This page will usually open automatically once the software is running. Here's the fourth thing you need to know. You'll be asked to enter your activation code. Don't worry if you don't have one yet, you can sign up for a free trial directly from Tenable's website. I'm linking it below, and this trial will let you explore the full functionality of Nessus without paying a cent. Just follow the instructions to get your activation code. Once your code is activated, you'll be asked to choose your scanning preferences. At this point, you'll need to set up the credentials and any specific scan configurations you want to use. You can select different templates for vulnerability scans, depending on whether you're scanning a network, a web application, or just specific devices. Next, Nessus will start configuring itself in the background. This process might take a minute or two, so let it finish. When it's done, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard, where you can start creating your first scan. Now you're ready to use Tenable Nessus for vulnerability scanning. Go ahead and click on the New Scan button to get started. You can choose from various templates or customize your scan according to your needs. Nessus is designed to make the scanning process efficient and user-friendly, even for beginners. To wrap up, remember that you can get a completely free trial of Tenable Nessus by using the link in the description below. And don't forget, if you sign up now, you'll also get an exclusive extended trial period, perfect if you want to explore even more features. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to dive into Nessus to secure your system.